channel. As you can see in front of you, I have the Fabfitfun. This is for the spring of 2019, and I was really happy with this season's box. I've been getting Fabfitfun for way over a year now, and it is a really different subscription box than the usual ones. It is seasonal, so you'll get it spring, summer, fall, and winter, and it's $49.99 every season, which in my opinion is a deal because the value is always at least, it's close to $300. They let you choose 3 of the items that will come in the box if you are a seasonal subscriber, so that means you pay seasonally. If you're an annual member, which means you pay up front for the year, you can make a lot more choices on what comes in your box. I'll have a link down below for $10 off your first box, so you can get your first one for $39.99. And I love that also Fabfitfun lets you choose add-ons. So if you want to purchase additional products to come into this order, and the products are heavily discounted. So I'm going to show you those first. I did purchase a few things. So the first thing is this mug. I am addicted to mugs, and this one says life happens, coffee helps. This is actually a really good quality mug. They had a few different choices, but the add-ons sell out really quickly. So this one I was really lucky to get. I think I paid like $7 for this. I also got this eyebrow gel, and this is from the Beauty Crop. First time I've ever used Beauty Crop was from Birchbox. I think the packaging is really, really cute. It says Brow Friends Forever, and it's just a clear brow gel. I use this on a daily basis. This was only $5, so I figured I'd give it a try. And I purchased this sponge, which I think it was also around, I don't know, $5. If you're not familiar with Makeup Drop, they are a brand that came out with these silicone makeup applicators. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not really fond of the silicone applicators for makeup. I will use it for skincare, but this one was really cool because this one has like a silicone pad for application, and then it comes with the blending sponge, kind of like a beauty blender. So just to show you a little of what it looks like, this is the silicone part, and then of course, you know, you have your little spongy area. I had to look up how to use this. You want to wet it just like a beauty blender and it will double in size, but you're supposed to use this part to apply your makeup and kind of like spread it out, and then use the sponge part to blend it. Then I purchased this face wash from Murad. This one I had tried a sample of it, and it's the Essential C cleanser, and it smells so good. It's perfect for the daytime. This size will last a very long time. It's 6.75 ounces. This, I think it's like normally $40. I'm not really sure on it, but I know that I only paid $11 for this. So I had to jump on this before it sold out. And then the last but not least was this shampoo and conditioner set. This is from DP Hue. Now this brand is known for that apple cider vinegar wash. I've always seen shampoo and conditioners for blonde hair, but I don't see many for brunette hair or black hair. I don't remember exactly how much, but I know that for the duo, it was really cheap. This is supposed to neutralize warm tones, and it protects against brassiness, and it could be used for all kinds of brunette hair. So it'll work good for my black hair as well. It's actually a deep blue shampoo and conditioner. Not only will you have this little magazine, but they also give you a coupon for HelloFresh. This is a $50 gift card. It's $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. I don't typically use these, so if you want to grab that code, go ahead, feel free. Because I purchased some add-ons, they were giving this deodorant away for free. So as long as you purchased at least $15 in add-ons, then you were able to get this Love Beauty and Planet energizing natural deodorant for free. Let's get into the actual box itself. Now mine is valued, I added everything up, and it's valued at $306.99. This is the highest value box I ever get. So this is the first product that I got. This is actually a backpack from the brand Deluxe. It's a demi backpack. It's actually valued at $75, and that is what I chose. I chose this. And it says, keep your belongings safe and snug in the cutest canvas backpack. It features adjustable straps, a top handle, and a post closure, making it the perfect bag for all of your spring travels. You could have also chosen an aromatherapy diffuser valued at $55, or this robe. It's called Show Me Your Mumu Brie robe, and it had flowers all over it, and it was valued at $84. I think that the quality is pretty good. It does have these snap closures on the side, but it does not close. There's no like drawstring closure or anything. It just, works just like this, where it'll close on the sides and then you can close it this way, but there's no closure in any other way. And then it has like a little pocket here. Now you can open these snaps up, so if you really want to put like a lot of stuff in here, then you can. So this is the next product that I chose. It's from the brand Quay Australia, and as you can see, they're sunglasses. It comes with this really nice quality case. They had a few variations of products that you could have picked. You could have gotten these Quay Australia Vivienne glasses, which are valued at $60, and these aviators are the kind that fit on my face really good. So I liked these the best. They also had another Quay Australia sunglasses in My Girl. Those were valued at $55, and they had like a cat eye shape. If you didn't want the sunglasses, they had this little picnic set. It was like a little travel picnic set that came with some plates and 2 cutlery sets. That's valued at $30. Or you could have picked this Caress Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, which was valued at $48. And then just to show you really quick, these are the glasses I picked. These are the other ones that they had available. Then they had this picnic set and then this sleeping facial. So this is the last group of products that you could have chosen. So they gave you a choice of these copper plated measuring spoons, which I wasn't interested in. Those are valued at $15. A body lotion, which is valued at $19, and I really didn't need another body lotion. And then they had a mystery item, and you really had no idea what it was gonna be. It says here, what could it be? A palette, body cream, or a trigger ball? We love a good mystery, and we promise this is a good one. And they promised it to be valued at least $20. So I just went ahead and took a chance and went with the mystery item. I was so excited when I saw that this was the mystery item that I ended up receiving. I ended up getting the R&Co Acid Wash, the apple cider vinegar cleanse and rinse. Now this is very similar to that DP Hue one. I literally was jumping for joy because this is valued at $32. It's 6 fluid ounces, and I know that these rinses are that expensive because the DP Hue one I think was even smaller than this, and I spent $38 on it. This stuff is incredible. Now the next products I'm going to show you, if you were an annual member, you actually had a choice. So you would be able to choose one of the products. Since I'm a seasonal member, I could not choose, but that's okay. I ended up getting this really adorable Sip by Swell water bottle, or insulated hot and cold bottle. Look how cute. They had all different colors that you could have gotten. I thought I was getting a teal one or a green one, but when I saw the little bumblebees, oh my God, I thought it was so cute. This will actually make me use it. I don't typically reach for these bottles, but I think this is gonna make me drink a lot more water. This is a 15-ounce bottle valued at $19.99. So if you were an annual member, which means you pay up front for the year, then you could have actually picked your product. And they had the Ciate London Translucent Setting Powder, which I've tried before and I really wanted to get this, valued at $22. And then they had this necklace, that's $30. Then the next thing I received, which I was really happy with, was this Tula Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. So I ended up, between the Murad one I purchased and this, I think I'm good on face washes for a while. And this is valued at $28. It says that this isn't an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. If you were an annual member, again, here are the products. That is the face wash I received, $28. You could have also gotten this Daily Concepts Daily Detox brush, which is valued at $18. And they had a jump rope valued at $15. Now the last 3 products everybody was getting. So the first one is from Way. This is a leave-in conditioner. I've only ever used sample sizes of this because this is $26 for 4.7 ounces. A lot of people have a love-hate relationship with the fragrance of this hair care. It's kind of perfumey. Now, I love it. I think it lingers, it just the right amount. It's not overbearing, it's not heavy, it fades just perfectly throughout the day. So I enjoy it. It'll work to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. So you want to mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing. The next thing everybody received was from Dr. Brandt. This is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I've gotten this full size a bunch of times. I've given 2 away already, and I do have a backup of this. It's okay. I think I have to use it a few more times because it has this like orangey consistency, and sometimes you can see it under your eyes. I think I have to mess around with it a little bit more to figure out how to apply just enough to where it's not gonna leave an orangey film. I haven't seen any improvement in under eye bags or dark circles. All I see is that orange film. So I think I gotta just play around with it a little more. This is valued at $42. So your box is almost paid for just with this one product. It's supposed to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. And the last but not least, which is in this really pretty packaging, it's from Manna Kadar. Now Manna Kadar, we've gotten products from Manna Kadar in a lot of different boxes. I've gotten it a lot in Birchbox, never a body product. I didn't even know this brand had skincare in it. I've only gotten like makeup. It's a champagne body scrub. It's a charcoal scrub. It's valued at $24 and it's pretty big. If you see, it's an 18.34 ounce size. It's formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. So that's everything in my Spring 2019 Fabfitfun. Let me know what you think down below. Do you receive this subscription? Did you get a different variation? Again, the value of this box is $306.99. I think that's amazing for a $50 seasonal subscription. I will have the link down below so you can get your first box for $39.99. That's $10 off. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and feel free to share this. Help me build my channel. But until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.